Hello, this is Alexander Cross, criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who repented after having committed a crime. Let's see here. My son participating in a theft. One of his friends struck a little girl during the incident. Now, my son wants to report it to the police, but he is still on probation for theft. Well, okay, so because he participated in the crime, he's not going to be able to get out of the conspiracy because he already followed through with it. However, if he believes that there is a very high probability that he could get in trouble, this is something that this is a real balancing act. Usually we tell people to remain silent, okay? We'll let the police handle the investigation, don't get involved, back off. But if he feels that there's a high probability that he could get in trouble because there's there's video of him doing it, something of that nature, like if he feels his back is against the wall, what he could do is he could talk to his attorney, your son, so that your attorney could talk to the DA and to let the DA know that he may be willing to turn state's evidence and do a proffer interview. If that's the case, he can become a witness to testify against his own buddies. If he does that, you can often get a deal with the DA's office to get your charges substantially reduced or even dismissed. But like I said, this is a very, very careful, calculated thing that needs to be done. You don't just do this on the fly. Don't go to the police just like that. No. Your attorney needs to talk to the DA because this is a very serious felony. A robbery carries up to 6 years state prison under Penal Code Section 212. Plus, you're talking about the assault. Plus, if the little girl suffered great bodily injury, they could increase the punishment dramatically more so. And you're really sticking your head in a noose because you're still putting yourself in a position where you can still do some jail time. Now, like I said, your attorney could potentially talk to the DA and say, "Hey, look, I know that I have the person who's who's done this, and he could probably work something out like that." But you have to be very, very careful here. Usually, it's best to just leave it alone, stay silent, and you only really want to do this in a situation where you're basically going to go down anyway, and so you just want to mitigate the pain. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below in order to obtain new videos in the future. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, call us now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. Criminal lawyer or criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer or DUI lawyers. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.